Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your project. Import the clip and set the aspect ratio that matches your platform. Once done, select the clip or the timeline spot where you want narration. Make sure Capcut is updated, then open the audio or text-to-speech tool. This is your entry point. Now add a text layer or select an existing subtitle track. Capcut converts that text directly into speech. This first step gets you from zero to a place where TTS can be generated. With text in place, choose the language and voice model that fits your content. Preview voices until one feels right. Then adjust speed and pitch, slower for clarity, faster for energy, and apply. Once the TTS clip appears on the timeline, trim it to match your edits and nudge it into sync with cuts and on-screen text. Use fade in /out and volume automation so the voice sits well with music. If lines overlap, split and reposition segments for natural pacing. Finish by exporting a short test render and listening on headphones and speakers to confirm clarity and balance. If the TTS mispronounces a word, edit the source text using phonetic spelling or add spacing to force pauses, then regenerate only that segment. Make sure background music is ducked under speech and master levels aren't clipping. Once satisfied, back up the project and render the full video. If voice stutters, reapply the TTS to a fresh text layer to resolve glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.